Bring back streaks on the Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can bring back streaks on your Snapchat. So guys, if you have lost your Snapchat streaks, you can restore them by following some steps. So check if your Snapchat streak is eligible to be restored by looking for the restored badge next to the chat. So you can see I have the restore option there. So you have to tap right here on the restore. And after that you can see that to restore this streak I will have to pay for the rupees 250 to bring back that 77-day streak. So guys, if the restore button is not available, you can submit a request to the Snapchat support by to restore your Snapchat. So guys, it is important to note that the Snapchat streaks are not guaranteed feature of the Snapchat, and they can be lost due to a variety of the reasons such as technical issues, app updates, or user error. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.